Hello, kids. A very good morning to all. You are doing very well in your studies. So, today I have planned not to study anymore. Today we will listen a beautiful song regarding rivers. But you have to listen the song very carefully because after listening the song we will play a mind game. So come, let's listen the song very carefully. Come with me, children.
Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati. Rivers wide, rivers long, rivers small, rivers strong, rivers meet, rivers part, rivers merge, rivers start, rivers wide, rivers long, rivers small, rivers strong, rivers meet, rivers part, rivers merge, rivers start.
Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati.
Rivers flood, rivers dry, rivers fall, rivers rise, rivers young, rivers old, rivers shy, rivers bold, rivers flood, rivers dry, rivers fall, rivers rise, rivers young, rivers old, rivers shy, rivers bold.
Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati.
Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri
Sindhu
Saraswati.
So, children, have you enjoyed the song? It is very much good, right? Yes, I also enjoyed the song very much. Now, in the song, we can found some rivers name because the song is about rivers. It is telling us about the activities of rivers. It comes from a high hill, then it flows through many countries, many type of places, and then it merge into the sea. In the journey of the river, it breaks with many names. In many country, it has many names, right? Okay, so here we can find a very popular name of the river. What is the name of the river, children? Can you tell me the very popular name? Yes, the name is Ganga. The Ganga River. It is the mother of our rivers. Okay. So, as it is mother to us, we pray to her and she gives us water and food by helping in farming. So, Ganga is just like mother to us and it is a holy river in our culture. We pray to her and she is a great river. Okay, children? Now, my dear children, I will talk about the second river called Yamuna. Do you know Yamuna is the fifth largest river of India? It's so big. And you know, Yamuna and Ganga became friends in Allahabad. You know, you heard the name of the place, Allahabad? Yes. And Yamuna is also a sacred river, just like Ganga. Sacred means we pray to her. We believe her as a god. And my dear children, do you hear about Taj Mahal? Isn't it so beautiful place to visit? Yes, and you know, Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of Yamuna River. Isn't it awesome? Now, children, I will talk about Krishna River. You know, children, it is the fourth biggest river in India. Yes, the fourth biggest river. It has a special name also, that is Krishna Veni. Isn't it beautiful name? But in short, we call it Krishna. And you know, children, in many countries, Krishna River helps in farming by giving its precious water. Now I will talk about Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the ninth largest river in the world. Yes, ninth largest river in the world. During springtime, what happens, you know, children? The river overflows because the snow of the hills melts in this time, and these melting snows are mixed with the water of Brahmaputra and makes it very large. See, children, like this, we have many interesting stories regarding our own rivers. But all the story, if I will tell you, you cannot remember it very easily. So, today I am telling you a little bit of story. All you have to do, you just listen to the story, try to make it remember, but this is not necessary to remember it every time. What is necessary? That is to remember the name of the rivers. So come, let's sing along with me. Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati. Again, Ganga Yamuna Krishna Brahmaputra Narmada Godavari Kaveri Sindhu Saraswati. Like this, you will also remember the name of the rivers. Okay? Till then, bye bye, and thank you for listening to me, dear children.